How to care for your husband. Every relationship take work from team to team. In marriage, it is particularly important. One of the best way to keep things smooth on a day-to-day basis is to show your spouse that you care. Learning to make your spouse need can help ensure that your marriage is happy and successful. Meeting your husband emotional need. Get your husband to open up. Some men are socially conditioned to avoid talking about their feeling. It can be damaging to the relationship, it leave a lot of important feeling unexpressed. 1. If your husband a hard time opening up, you may need to work hard to learn how feel one need in the relationship. Let your husband know that you like to know how feel. You may find it helpful to set aside some time on a regular basis in which you both talk about how you've been feeling. 2. Don't judge your husband over how feel, and don't jump to a conclusion based on what tell you. You want to create a situation where your husband will feel safe discussing his feeling with you, and in order to feel safe need to know that you won't get upset or judge him for what say. 3. Ask your husband what need. Some people are comfortable asking for something, unless it's brought to be someone else. If you're concerned that you are meeting your husband emotional need, talk to him about it and ask him what, specifically, need. 4. Determine if your husband need change. In feeling stuck in a rut or feeling unsatisfied with some aspect of the relationship, understanding, more communication, more of a willingness to see an issue from his perspective, or greater compatibility, more intimacy, more team spetogetté. These are très important in a successful and supportive relationship. 5. Communicate your need to your husband. If you need change, understanding, or greater compatibility, let him know, and work on these issues together. The relationship will no work if only one spouse is working on meeting their need. A real, true partnership only exists when both partners are working to make it happy and fulfill. 6. Work to make their need. Once you've determined what your husband need in order to feel loved and fulfill, and you've communicated your need, try to help give him those things. Ask him to work toward giving you what you need well. 7. If your husband need change, work with him to find a solution. Try breaking out of your collective routine. Do something different together, like taking a vacation or learning a new hobby together. If your husband need understanding, spend more time talking with him and note. Listen to how feel and offer him supportive feedback. If your husband need greater compatibility, try to take more of an interest in your hobby, and ask him to do the same with your interest. Work on spending more time together, and try to be more intimate with him and note. Priorities on a note. In many successful marriage, spouse put the person need first. Ti ensure that both spouse have their need mais, will simultaneously striving to make the person happy. Everybody win when both spouse work equally. 8. Listen to how your husband feel. If you're worried about meeting your husband emotional need, it's important to listen to how he feel. 9. You should communicate with him and note openly and honestly, and listen when tell you how he feel. Be active listening. Process what your husband is saying instead of preparing your response before he finished speaking. Encourage him to continue by making eye contact, nodding your head, and asking questions. 10. Avoid critiquing your husband feeling. Help him feel comfortable sharing his feeling without fearing that you will judge him or correct him. 11. Talk about his behavior that you or your spouse engage in that affect your relationship. You may want to initiate the conversation by asking if there anything you could be doing differently, and then gently telling your husband if there are things you could be doing differently as well. 12. Try to actively address an issue that are brought up, and ask your husband to do the same. 13. Identify communication issue. If your still having a hard time communicating with your husband about of you need, it may be you and your husband have different style of communicating and are picking up on their true feeling. If it case, on or both of you may need to adjust to your communication to better accommodate on a noté. 14. Clear en direct communication when you don't have de saying what need to be said. It can seem to blind to some people, but some experts believe it is the healthiest form of communication. Telling out exactly how you feel, with no sugarcoating. 15. Clear en direct communication clearly communicate the basic message, but no direct ta message at appropriate person. En exemple of clear en indirect communication you would be saying ta certain behavior bother you, but with to directly addressing intended target. In the case you or your husband may need to be more direct, says. Masked en direct communication tout appropriate person, but with to ben clear on why actually ben communicated. En exemple of masked en direct communication you would be telling someone ta certain behavior can be upsetting, with to directly saying that intended target engaged in ta behavior. Again, practicing directness can help. 17. Masked en indirect communication obscure but message en intended target of criticism. T considered daily une healthy method of communication. If it is like you or your husband, you should take up to be more honest with it. Try writing down why you want to say how to clarify your feeling before expressing yourself to it. 18. Learn how to communicate clearly. You may have identified some unhealthy or indirect tendency in the way you or your husband communicate. Assertive communication is a great model for clear communication, because it is based on mutual respect. You will stand up for your need, but you will also listen to others en compromise. 19. To communicate clearly en assertively treat following. Use this statement. 20. Instead of beginning a sentence with you, which can sound accusatory and often make the person defensive, use. So, instead of your wrong, you say, I disagree. OTI statement include, I feel, I need, I would like. Talk about behavior, no about your husband. 21. Instead of saying, you look like a slob, ask, did you know ta shirt a mustard on te front? Ti avoue jugement instead focus on the fact. Pay attention to ton en volume. How you speak is important how you say. Don't scream or speak in a whisper. Speak with a firm voice a normal, conversational volume. 22. Respond, but don't react. 23. If you find you are becoming angry and defensive, or your husband take a break from the discussion. Agree on a team to return to issue on you've calmed down, en make sure you follow through and finish the discussion. Remember, ben assertive in not some ben aggressive. Practice in a low risk situation. 24. If you are afraid to assert yourself or nervous about large conflict, try starting small, like speaking up if set vacuum in the garage but you know it in the closet. If it is no easy to do it with your husband, find someone, like a friend or family member, with whom you feel comfortable and not to disagree. Try to resolve conflict instead of winning them. 25. Trying to win en argument can lead to stubbornness, resentment, and impede the possibility of compromise. Not a agree to disagree a possibility en ist en acceptable outcome. Make a clear request. Instead of inviting your husband to say no in response to question like would you me, make your need clear by asking will you please. The latte respectful, en can still say no if but you are no longer asking permission to have a need. 26. Take the time to appreciate it. A partner in a relationship bring valuable contribution en make meaningful change tout the person life. Some team, have been with someone for a long time, a spouse may feel emotionally neglected or taken for granted. To prevent it from happening, be sure to communicate your appreciation to your spouse. 27. tel Urusban reassuring-ting, likia prosiat tenisting forme, orim so glad en tant que fultayu arin milif, 28. Keeping te roman salive. Mac team for eote. When you've lived with someone for a long time, easy to felt taken for granted from team to team. On way to prevent it from happening it to make team to span alone to jeter. It quand blavais quand je t'avais, au reven juste un couple ou rafté dîner cette Asie de fort distraction free conversation. Ove your serve spouse team, mac sur it tapant on a regular basis sans mac sur you bot en joie your team to jeter, 29. Tri avigne avec lead at night. You can set Asie de on night vehicle to go out for dinner en samovi. Or bring at that night home, if you prefer, encore camel to jeter, 30. Surprise Urusban. À long terme relation sip quand easily lit ou couple falling to rut en routine. You can remain Urusban you carby surprising him from team to team. It 2 et 1 have to be a jaw dropping surprise. Simple, lit plus surprise, like living a notini lunch, or jetting him a small gift tweet ou en spéciale occasion, quand et le keep excitement offrement salive, 31. You can also surprise et otb trying new thing to jeter. Study shota douin new thing with a partner reloxytocin, te so calcul l'hormone, 32, prit taking a class to jeter au reven juste goin to a new restaurant to jeter, 33. Brintimate to jeter. Intimacy et le bill lasting bon in a relation sip, perap mortant IoT factor. Intimacy is injust limited to sex, al tugmani expert consider healthy sex life to be an important factor for a healthy, successful marriage, 34. Holding en, kissing, cuddling, en walking arm in armaral way you can enjoy intimacy on a day basis with your husband, 35. Team to foster intimacy bis nuggling to jeter while watching TV or movie en holding en while running errant. 11 you make te for to be more intimate, you'll most likely begin to se more en more way to be intimate with on a noter. Having fun to jeter. Jet in cinch with eote. It masundobio, buti important à you en your bando litetla, de to dating to jeter au nv possible. Even simple change li qui atigne mel to jeter en goin to bet to jeter at sam team kango along wet over feeling like you en your ban spantim to jeter, 36. Regret your date. On comment complaint à mon peuple struggling with mariage problem itat couple no longe de tigne ted do il t'ever dating. Te team when you en your ban over dating m'a fait le fargon. You can keep the spark alive be regretting fun that night you had before you go marié, 37. Go out dancing to jeter, if you en your husband en joie dancing. If en énergétique, en maille le promain you off will you fell in love in the first place, 38. Have a romantic dîner to jeter. You can go out to your favorite restaurant, or stay in en avant intimate mela home. Mac plan fort à vacation. Even if you can actualita qu'à vacation à point intime, simply looking à vacation option en planning à potentiel trip to jeter quand bagréa bonding exercise, 39. 11 you've plané your dream vacation, star working tovar making it a reality. Break out of your routine. Agréa way to have fun with your husband en rekindle te romance it to jet out of your normal day your weekly beyond so meeting new to jeter, 40. If you are atypically outdoorsy couple, trigoin for hike to jeter, or a simple picnic outdoor. If you normaliste in on te vacant, tridoin so meeting differ to jeter. You can go on a double date with te couple frien, or host a party en invite people you have seen in a long time. No matter why you was, important a you don't you thing to jeter from team to team. Ta deux et un man you have to scrawa comfortable. Just change thing, up every once in a while. Type. Dans compare your husband to hotter you've dated, en be sur 2 et 1 compare you to hotter, a été. Mac team to talk every day. Cette Asie de somme régulière, une interrupted team to jeter, like a that night oran after dîner conversation. communicato à you need /wan, en listen to why your husband need en wan. Triading a body for way to communicate with your spouse. Gary Chapman te five love language a popular book t'a offert advice on no couple qu'embêté communicate with on a noté. Consider talking to a couple counselor if you believe you and your husband are having a hard time communicating.